Well, let's talk about these dials. They have a few chips in them, and I'm going to show you a product that I use to help hide those chips to make the dials more presentable. Because first thing you look at a watch, you see the dial, and if it's got a chip in it, it really stands out. It really works well for those edge chips where the lever is chipped a little bit of the porcelain off. Stuff I use is called Sheffield Porcelain Touch-Up, and in the white. You can get it on Amazon, that's where I get mine. The white seems to do a good job of matching the color of the porcelain of the dial. It doesn't take much to do the job, so I just put a drop of it on an old watch crystal that I saved. I use a modeling paintbrush and just get a little bit of that touch-up on the tip of that paintbrush and just dab it into the crack of the dial. You just want to put a small amount the first time in there and let it dry overnight, and then come back after it's dry and put another layer on top of that and just keep building it up that way. It just seems to work out better when you do it that way instead of just trying to put a whole bunch of it in there at one time. Now that touch-up stuff works really well for the chips that are along the edge of the dial. Just remember, just use a small amount and dab it on there, and then set that dial aside and let it dry for 24 hours. Then come back and build it up with a little more, another layer of the touch-up paint. If you like these how-to videos, go to my home channel page. The videos I have are organized into topics and subjects you might be interested in, and also hit that like button and subscribe. Now these bigger chips are harder to hide, but I try to do my best with them and fill it in. And it doesn't look too bad. It looks a lot better than a big old chip missing out of the dial. And some of these watches, it's hard to find a replacement dial for it. And if you do find a dial, it might cost you just about as much as the movement does. So I just try to touch them up a little bit the best I can. The more you do it, the better you get at it. And just go slow and build it up. Don't try to do it all in one time. If you got any comments about this, how about leaving it down in the comments section? I know they make some other type of filler that you can use on the dial to help hide these cracks. I haven't never tried those. This method seems to work pretty good for me.